Tu le prends photo?
Non, non, pas encore. And I am at work, and this is what I do.
T'as parlé comment?
Anglais.
Ton téléphone, il parle anglais après?
Mais oui. Tu connais. Comme ça. Allez.
Ça filme là?
Oui. Merci. Tu me vois ou pas?
Oui, on te voit.
Et c'est là?
On voit.
Et quand je fais la peinture, tu la vois ou pas?
Oui.
Merci. C'est cool, hein? Ah, j'ai compris.
Elle est dans ta vidéo là.
Hello guys, I'm here again today with another video. And today is only me, I'm at work. I'm just finishing this painting for the carnival. But carnival is not the same, it's not the same as in the Caribbean.
Attends, pour la vidéo.
Don't do second part. It's not the same as in the Caribbean.
Chut!
We, here in France, they put costume of superheroes, whether you want to be princess or you want to be other superheroes. And all the children dressed in costume and walks in the street of the community which they are from, or if they plan to do the carnival somewhere else with their parents. And they have music, they distribute sweets, and you have a wonderful time, everybody dancing and singing and happy and just having a wonderful time. And here where I work, we prepare the, you know, the supermarket trolley. We decorate them for the carnival. And this year carnival will be the 7th of March. So I'm just finishing up this painting, this drawing that I did for the carnival. This year our theme is the animal in the jungle. The animal in the jungle. C'est pas grave. Allez, merci. Oui, oui, allez, comme tu veux. Merci. And this is my work. I'm finished with the elephant. It looked blue, but it's gray. I'm doing it about now. This is what I did earlier on. The children did the backsplash with all the multicolors behind. The monkeys, the flowers, all this. This is the other side, the same monkey. But this cart is not finished. It's some kind of racing car, I'm not sure. It's my supervisor doing this one. And this one, it's my colleague, his friend, is doing this one. Star Wars. And this one, I think this one, the theme is Lion King. Yeah, here's Simba, here's so. This is what I did earlier, but this is my work. The monkey with the banana. I drew the monkey, then I painted. I did everything by myself. And the day of today, the day of cotton, this is my project today. When it's finished, I'll show you at the end. Là. Ici. Merci. I'm still not finished with the painting. But I will soon finish. Fais le tour de la peinture.
Ok.
C'est joli, Esther?
Oui.
T'aimes bien?
Oui.
T'arrives à te peindre comme ça? Fais la
Quoi?
peinture comme ça?
Non, j'arrive pas trop parce que c'est un peu dur là.
Non, c'est pas si dur.
Si, un peu quand même.
C'est dur?
Non,
Tu
mais
apprends?
c'est facile.
Oui, c'est facile. Tu vas apprendre ou pas?
Oui.
Et la semaine prochaine, tu vas... C'est la semaine prochaine aussi?
Oui. J'y vais toujours.
Oui, mais il y a les vacances. C'est les vacances maintenant.
Oui. Mais demain, j'y vais, hein.
Demain aussi?
Oui. Après-demain, mais après je serai...
Après-demain, c'est le week-end.
Ah. Leslie-Anne, tu sais, pour faire la peau du lion là. Dans la peau là du lion. Tu as fait du
ici,
orange et du jaune?
Ici, hein? Oui.
Je peux essayer?
Ici?
Oui.
Attends.
Je filme.
Comme ça?
Oui. Non, c'est bon, je vous dis quand il arrive. Pourquoi tu fais une vidéo? Parce que c'est le Céline qui me demande.
Ça va mieux comme ça?
Oui.
Et ici, je vais pas finir de faire les girafes.
Je peux t'aider? Non, c'est bon, je vais.
On revient. On va partir dans la commune maintenant pour faire une animation avec Romain.
C'est quoi comme animation?
Je sais pas, peut-être le parcours.
Dans la montagne.
Ouais.
Dans la montagne.
Dans la colline.
Colline.
Oui.
Quelle colline?
Idea là.
Colline. Lucienne, est-ce que c'est fini ta vidéo? Elle est finie?
Oui, c'est bon. And now I'm just making the final touch. The final touch of the giraffe. And then I'm going to pass. I'm going to use a black marker to go around the edge. Go around the edge like this. But that's maybe another time, because I have to allow the paint to dry before doing so. And people know I am not a professional painter. So yes, there's going to be mistakes and there's going to be places that need more paint, or maybe you're saying I'm not holding the brush good, but for the time being, you know, hippopotamus knows well. It's supposed to be brown. I want orange yellow color. This up now, shake. I ain't got nobody to hold the camera for me. And since I'm at work, so all my tripod and camera holder is at home. So this is almost the finished product of this here. Of this piece. I'm just going to pass with the black marker now around the edge, and then that's it. Here I have it, guys, almost the finished product. And that's it for this video, guys. They're all done. This right here, like so. And all the cards are finished. This one, the Lion King, the Kuna Matata. Simba, Apapa. This is Star Wars. Star Wars. The head. I don't know which part this is going to put. The Star Wars. This is like a racing car. Thanks guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.